kidding. Oops. Okay.
Thank you for flying Stephen R. Covey Airlines. As we are approaching our destination of Leader in Me land, the climate is calm, rigorous, and productive. Please make sure that your tray tables are in the upright position and your Leader in Me books are in your hand. As we approach our final destination, we ask that you join us in ending with the beginning in mind. We will revisit the 4 phrases from earlier in your journey. The first of these phrases is modern-day miracle worker. The term miracle worker certainly creates a powerful image. We think of Anne Sullivan, who helped teach the blind and deaf Helen Keller. And after reading Leader in Me, we think of Muriel Summers, who turned the lowest performing school in her district into the #1 magnet school in the United States. Surely these are miraculous feats. Stephen Covey, however, believes that miracles are happening every day in schools around the world. He states, leadership is a communication of people's worth and potential so clearly that they are inspired to see it in themselves. Modern-day teachers are spotting potential in today's young people one-on-one. They are spotting the leader in each and every child and helping them to unleash that potential, to help children find their inner voice. And every time they spark a new interest, a new array of hope in a child, that is a miracle. Every teacher, each time he or she walks into a classroom full of students, is walking into an opportunity to become a modern-day miracle worker. Many students at A.B. Combs have come through with tough challenges. They come with histories of rebellion, and others have endured terrible emotional and physical tragedies. No matter what they are coming with or who they are, when they come through the doors of A.B. Combs, Muriel sees in them their unique gifts. Helen Keller reflected on her own experiences in her diary as she stated, "A person who is severely impaired never knows his hidden sources of strength until he is treated like a human being and encouraged to try to shape his own life. Any person who unlocks the unseen potential of others and inspires them towards noble causes is a modern-day miracle worker."
Phase 2, the tradition of caring. School traditions are not solo acts. The entire school must be actively engaged. It must be a school-wide effort. And remember, a school tradition is leadership, everyone is a leader, plus everyone, it equals a school's tradition of caring.
Phase 3, not one more thing. Traveling on Stephen R. Covey is not one more thing to do. Teachers can see the value in helping students see their own potential and to use their own potential to develop 21st century skills and character traits. It will take additional time in the beginning, but know that it is worth it. Teachers attempt to do too much, and students are unable to master crucial skills because of the race to cover content. We address 75% as many topics as do German textbooks, and 350 as many topics as do Japanese textbooks, yet they outperform us. So the first step is to identify significant curriculum content and spend time on relevant information.
Phase 4 of our flight involves the universal nature. Universal nature is inhabited all throughout the world. Universal nature means it does not discriminate on race, color, creed, or ethnic background. So, all the people on the flight attendants, you are part of the universal nature. All schools are part of the universal nature. Every school exhibits the same thoughts throughout. So, as part of our flight, today we'd like you to look at the food cart. But there's no food on the food cart today because your choice today is the following keys that you may take with you on your journey. We have the key of motivation, which summarizes one of the books' major points. Okay, as individual teachers, we have the motivation to unleash the potential in our students one child at a time. Your second key from the food cart is the vision. The timeless teaching of skills and principles will prepare our students for tomorrow and bring it to the relevant reality that the children are involved in this culture. The third that is welcome for you to take with you, it takes school-wide unity, and all stakeholders must be engaged and contribute to the school. And finally, the key of focus. We must all focus on what is important to be teaching in our classrooms.
Our captain, A.B. Combs, would like to thank you for joining us and help us in taking a strategic pause before deplaning. Pause for a few moments, take a drink of water, look to the light, and think of a hopeful thought. This strategic pause is meant to refocus you. Please use caution when opening the overhead compartments, as items may have shifted during flight. We hope that you notice the difference in traveling with Stephen R. Covey Airline. As you pick up your baggage, we hope you see the difference in the weight on your shoulders. At Stephen R. Covey Airline, we repack your luggage to see improved academic performance and fewer behavior problems. To help make your journey stress-free and successful, we'd like to thank you for traveling on Stephen R. Covey Airlines. We hope that you'll travel with us again in the 2013-2014 school year as we soar to new heights.